We're at the Yoichi whiskey distillery, and they have 3 samples for us for free. One is a Nikka apple wine, the other is a super Nikka, and then you have a single malt that's from Yoichi only. So I heard that the apple wine is really good. Well, also they have different ways of making your whiskey taste better. They have carbonated water, ice, and then regular water. And then there is a way to make the whiskey somewhere on the wall. But pretty much you can drink the whiskey as how many ways you want to. And I think what's really nice about it is they give you a little cup holder or like a lid to cover up the whiskey so it doesn't have dirt or bugs flying into it. So I'm gonna try the apple wine first. I'm gonna try everything straight first, just to see how it is. And then apple wine is supposed to be really good. This is actually something that I want to buy because it's supposed to be really fruity. The alcohol content is not that strong, and then it's sweet with a little bit alcohol in it. It's quite palatable. Oh, by the way, legal drinking age is 20 years old in Japan. Okay, single malt. That's actually a lot of a whiskey they gave you. It's really strong just by smelling this already. Oh wow. If you drink it straight, the moment you drink the alcohol content went up to your nose already. So, it actually has a smoky flavor to it. I like it. And next, it's a super Nikka. Let's give this a try. Again, they give you a lot of whiskey. Color-wise, it's a little bit more amber than the single malt. It smells fragrant. More strong, less of a smoky flavor. Aftertaste, I have a little bit of spiciness, like it kind of spread in your mouth, the spiciness. Now I'm gonna put ice cube. Don't mind my finger. It's nice ice cubes. They're the clear ones. Personally, I like it on the rock. It makes the alcohol, it makes the whiskey colder, and then I think it's it tastes less of alcohol content when it's colder, making it more palatable. I like it on the rock. There are different ways, which I don't remember, but when you come in and when you enter the room, there's ways of how to make whiskey taste better. There's certain ways you can put water in there, you can put ice cubes in there, you can put carbonated water in there, you can make a combination of ice water and ice cubes, or carbonated water with ice cubes. So there's like so many different ways of making a whiskey tasting better. It really depends on what you like. But yeah, so far this is quite nice, and we decided to come to the sample area first to try it, and then we're gonna go to the museum to see the history, just to walk out the alcohol a little bit, because later on we still have to drive. So yeah, this is a pretty good start for today. Oh, by the way, if you have kids or people who don't drink alcohol, They have free teas and free apple juice as well. So I guess this is a place that you can take your kids, you can take people who, your friends who doesn't drink alcohol. It's a nice spot to come by when you're in Hokkaido. So yeah, we'll see. Let's go. We're gonna go check out the museum now. So let's take a look at the map. We were here earlier. This is where we do the samples, and then we go to here for the museum, and then this is where the owner used to live before, and then you keep going, and then this is a distillery, which is oh, I guess you can do a paid tour also. Let's go. The good thing about this place is everything is free. Parking is free. Museum is free. You can look at the histories, and then samples are free. But it's actually quite nice because I don't think this place, they do their whiskeys in the old-fashioned way, whichever one that is, which we'll see later. Not a lot of people or places does that nowadays. So yeah. So I'm actually quite excited to see what they offers in here. So this is a whiskey museum. Let's go check it out.
We visited the Nikka whiskey distillery in Hokkaido. The distillery was built in 1934 and offers daily guided and unguided tours. You can discover the art of whiskey making here. You can purchase limited edition whiskeys only available at this distillery, as well as commonly available whiskeys. We didn't have much time here, so we did a quick self-guided tour and made a quick stop at the gift shop.